There's a principle that says give a portion to 7 or even 8, because you do not know what might happen in this world. I mean, COVID showed us exactly that. Hello, my name is Lindy Sherris. Welcome to my channel where I talk crypto, stocks, and even Forex. In today's video, I'm going to challenge you guys. What will happen if you just sacrifice just one McFist meal and take that money and buy shares? I did a calculation to see how much it cost a McFist, chips, delivery, and also your cold drink. It actually costs 114. So if you take that money and buy this share, so one share actually costs R2.33. So you can actually get 50 shares. So in this video, I'm going to show you what the stock is all about, who are the owners, how to do the analysis, where to buy it, and also how this share can actually grow, and the advantages and the reason why you should buy this share. Without wasting time, let's go to my laptop. So this is the price of McFist burger from McDonald, and then this include a green apple fees, and also it includes delivery to the value of R9. So the total price just to buy a McFist burger and this juice, this green apple fees, then it means you will pay R144 and just once. So you might want McDonald's again maybe after 2 days or next week, but we usually say we want to buy this as a way to spoil ourselves, and some people actually buy this way more and spend this money. So I'm going to challenge you to just cancel just one order during this December and not buy anything from McDonald's, and only maybe buy, if you used to buying 4 times, maybe reduce to 3. If you buying 2 times, reduce to 2. If you buy once, then just sacrifice and not buy, and take this R144 and go to Easy Equity. And now let's go to Easy Equity so that you can see what I'm talking about. As I was researching the next video for this YouTube channel, I actually realized there is a very important stock that is so cheap, anyone can get it. I mean, even 11-year-old can get the stock. So now when you go to invest and scroll down and go to equities, and then in the under search, just type Purple Group, it will come, and then you must just open it, and then when you come here, you would see that the stock is around R2.45. So for one stock is R2.45. Now remember, we're doing this for long term, so I will show you the results of what will happen if you buy long term. So we're doing this for a period of year or even 6 months. You can decide when you want to withdraw, but then I just want to show you that as you sacrificing buying that McDonald's just once and buying the stock, this will happen. So now let's look at how this stock is performing in 3 months. Can you see that the last 3 months the stock was actually R1.53, and now it went up and it is now R2.35. And now when you check the date, it's 10 December 2021, but then on September 2021 14, the stock was actually 152. So now when you go to our calendar and actually check, so from September, let's check the date. The date, it was 15 September. So from 15 September and then 15 October, 1 month, 15 November, 2 months, and 15 December, we're not yet there, 3 months. So in 3 months from here to here, the stock has gone up from R1.53 to R2.30. So now remember what happens now if you are on 1 year. On 1 year, remember I'm saying we're holding this for a long time. So if you are on 1 year, then it means you would buy the stock 15 December 2020. The stock was actually 86 cents. So now imagine if you were to take that money and buy the stock, keep it until maybe December 2022, or even buy it for your kids and buy it for anyone you want to buy for. But then just think about it, it was 80 cents, it was 0.8, and then times that by this 144, you would have 115 shares in PayPal Group. And now there's a reason why I say we should hold on to the stock, because we want to buy and hold it for a longest period of time so that we can make more money. So now you took your McDonald money, you bought over 100 shares from this company PayPal group. And let me just tell you a bit, because you do need to have information about this PayPal group. When you read about the PayPal Group Limited, you would see that this is an FSC company, financial service company, the company that provide trading and investment solutions. So it is like a group of companies. It is a group that even Easy Equity, the one that we are using to trade now, it actually belongs to this company. So do you see the power of this share? We're not just buying, we're buying a share that will actually grow, because now Easy Equity people are starting to learn about it, and it is easy to use. It is easy to deposit money. If you don't know anything about Easy Equity, I have a lot of videos on my channel that will show you how to create an account, how to deposit money, how to buy your stock. So you just do that and come here. So now that we know what it's all about, when you go to Yahoo Finance, and then you can come from here, you can just click here, and then it will open Yahoo Finance. That's another thing that you need to constantly do before buying a share. Go to the communication side, which is here. Let me show you conversation, and then you will see people talking about the stock. Definitely a stock to hold for long term. People is going places, innovation team with sound business principle. There is a huge growth potential in this company. So guys, you can see that people are talking good about this company, and we just verified it is currently growing well. As you can see, it is at a plus 1.3%. Now you do not stop there, you have to continue digging more information so that you can know more about this. And then when you go to PayPal Group website, usually most companies, they will show their financials, and then you can click here, it will open. And then when you scroll down, you would see that there are results since 2018 and to 2021. So now when you click here, it will open this report which I showed you here. And now remember, I said this PayPal Group company is not just Easy Equity under it. There is also more companies. So we can just look at that so that you can see what other companies. So there is GT247, and then there is also this one, gt247.com, and then there is Emperor Asset Management. So these are the companies that are under PayPal Group. So when we go to Easy Equity and buy our share, it is actually owned by PayPal Group, and not just Easy Equity, also GT247, also Emperor Asset Management. So now let's go to the financials so that you can see that this company is doing well. And then when you look at this, you would see that for the financial year 2020, they had 996 million, but now it has gone up to 172. But that's not what we are going to check. I want you to see the details of their financials. So now when you come to their financial review, you see that their revenue is actually 204 million, and then when you compare it to last year, it was 162 million rand. So this is a growth of movement of 25.9%. So guys, can you see that this company is actually doing well? So we do want to own a share in this company and benefit from it. And nice thing about it is it is still cheap, guys. It is still cheap. So get as many shares as you can under this one. For me, I am going to probably buy for 2,000 rand or even 3,000 rand and make sure that I grow, so that next year when they go to another financial period, I make sure that I have my money. I will double or even triple the money. Also, when you check their assets as well, they are managing it well, and their liabilities are actually way lesser, so this company can float. And then at the bottom you will see EPS, which is earning per share. You'd see that the basic earning per share cents is 4.46 cents. So you guys can see that how much this company is growing, and last year it used to be 1.54 rand. So guys, this is a good share. You can go ahead and buy this share, and remember, that's what I'll be doing as well. I'm not a financial advisor. You can see it's selling at 2.33 rand. So all you have to do is just to go to Easy Equity and click invest now, just to show you what to do. And then when you done, you scroll down, and then when you get here, you click equities. When you click under equities, then you will start to do a search, and then when you search, you just type PayPal, and then it will show. guys, this is the right time now to buy, because it is dropping a bit for today. So actually for this month it is dropping a bit, but then when you look at the 1 year analysis, you would see that it is doing well. 6 months it was doing well, 3 months it was doing well. So this is the right time now to buy, because it has dropped down a bit. So this allows us to buy more, so that when it goes up again, we actually make money. So guys, can you see my argument when I say instead of buying this McDonald's, you rather buy 100 shares? I hope you now understand where I'm going with this and why this share is a good share to buy. If you don't want to buy it for yourself, buy it for your kids. I mean, think about it. If you just buy 100, if you have 3 kids and just spend 300 rand and buy this share, and then all you do when you want to deposit your money, you go to menu and then you will look and for deposits, and then when you under deposit, you will select the bank that you're going to use. If you're going to transfer the money to Easy Equity, you just have to select your bank. So you can use your Standard Bank and then get the banking details. So you just need to complete this and the money will be accredited to your account. So do remember the reference. You don't use this, use the one that is generated from you, and then from there you will have money in your Easy Equity ZAR account, and all you do, you just go invest now and then go buy Purple Group share. Guys, don't say I didn't tell you. Just to show you a high level of these companies, you'd see that Easy Equity is the one that we know. It also has Easy Properties, Easy Crypto, and then there's also Rise, which I don't see them mentioning much, but then GT247 and Emperor Asset Management, those are the ones which are also operating. And then when you check also, out of these 3 companies, these 3 major companies, out of them, you would see that the one that is performing the most, it is Easy Equity. So most of their profit is actually coming from Easy Equity with more money, 172, because now remember they had 204 million. So now Easy Equity is the one that giving more money, whereas the other ones are not giving that much. Can you see that GT247, it's actually 27 million, and more people are getting added to the platform. And with Capitec on board now, people will be able to buy these shares from their cell phone, so which will make it easy for them. And the more people buy, the more we make money. So guys, I hope you now understand what I'm trying to do here. Don't buy that McDonald's. Sacrifice just for one meal and then buy these shares. You will thank me one day. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you do understand what I'm trying to teach you. If you don't understand and you need more clarification, please comment on this video description so I can explain in detail. And remember, I do have videos that show you each and every step that you need in order to create the account, to buy, to deposit your money, to invest, to analyze. So guys, you can use those videos, are there for you to learn. Thank you so much for watching.